hanging out on the inside of the truck today because today's mod actually is, in fact, an interior mod. Now, when I first stumbled across this mod, I was perusing Tacoma World, as I always do, for about 12 to 15 hours a day. And when I saw it, I thought to myself, no, I'm not going to buy it. That lasted about 15 seconds, and I bought it. I guess I'm officially an addict. But I'm not the only one. Welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel, everybody. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If this is your first time stopping by and you love everything related to Tacomas, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I promise you won't regret it. And this is the mod in question today from Flyzeye. I will put a link down below where you can check out their wicked website. Now, despite looking like a detonator from a movie...
Talk to me! Where are my detonators?
This is, in fact, a small battery-powered LED kit. I know it's sort of difficult to see in the sunlight. There you go. These are the red LEDs, so you can put this kit wherever you want. Specifically, it is very useful for use in the glove box and or your little center console right here. They do sell these. This is called the 3VP-RS kit. Very reasonably priced, and they do sell them with the red LEDs like I have. In addition, you can get green, white, blue, and amber. So go ahead and check out their website for this. In addition to the glove compartment LED lighting kit, Flyzeye also makes another kit which is a little more expensive that you can sort of put right under here or anywhere on your dash to give you like some ambient glow. That kit does come both battery powered like this one, or you can actually get it where you sort of hardwire it in here and just use a switch for all that. I don't think I'm going to do that mod though. I might do that mod. I mean, I'm going to install that mod. And one of the best things about this mod is outside of the kit, all you need is love to install it. Oh, and just a little rubbing alcohol. Okay, as with any time you're going to be mounting something to a surface, especially plastic in this case, I'm going to go ahead and take some regular rubbing alcohol with a paper towel and give the surface a good wipe down to make sure the adhesive can stick as efficiently as possible. Wiping the bottom part down here for where the magnet will attach, and then the top plastic up here for the actual lighting assembly. As you might expect, not exactly filthy, but every little bit helps. As far as actually mounting the main lighting unit from the Flyzeye website, it looks like they mount it right underneath this clip right here. So both the lights are sort of angled straight down, so that is what I will do next. Here is the magnetic mounting strip you can see right here, which does come off of the light assembly, but since the magnetic trigger is obviously removed from the lighting assembly, the lights are on, so you can easily do a quick test to make sure they're working. So even if this is not really centered, you know, this just sticks to that, so you can slide it left or right if you are particularly paranoid about those things. For the next step, we take the actual trigger magnet, and we are going to be mounting it down here. This does have pretty sticky adhesive 3M tape on the backside, double-sided tape. You can see stuck to the magnet there. We're going to peel that off and put it down here, but they do recommend you test it with like some Scotch tape just to make sure you have this in the right spot, because when you close it and this magnet touches the magnets up here, it will actually turn off the light, as would be the case when the door is actually closed. So I will do a test fit over here, and you can see the magnets up here on the mounting block. One side's positive, one side's negative, so you can see which one the magnet will stick to. In my case, it does stick to the right side, so I'm going to mount it down here on the right side somewhere. Alright, I did a test fit with the magnet. You can see right there on some regular Scotch tape, and it's working right now, but I did have to slide this part forward. It's actually almost sort of half on where this sort of folds to the front versus where it goes to the back, so it's sort of right in the middle right there. And hopefully this will come up on camera. As I close it, when I get close, you'll be able to see the lights turn off right there. It goes right there. So I know the bottom magnet is in the correct place, so I'll go ahead and use the regular 3M tape for that. And as you can see, the magnet is so strong it actually pulled off the Scotch tape and is attached where it should be. Alright, got the magnet mounted down there with the 3M tape, and actually removing this 3M backing from that small piece is actually easily the hardest part of this install. So again, test fit, you can see as it gets closer, turns off right before it closes, so perfectly fitted. And now let's see what they look like during the night. And here is the night shot, and you guys know how this usually works with when you're looking at lighting stuff. The camera always tends to make it appear duller than it really is, but I'm sitting in the driver's seat opening the glove box. Instant light, look at that. You can see it spreads all the way over here where you can see your passenger's knees would be. Personally, I love the way it looks. It's like a nice ambient glow. It's not too dull. It's not too bright. And actually from where I'm sitting, I can just barely see like the direct light coming out of the two LEDs. So very pleased with this mod. Love the way it looks over here in the glove box. And here's more of the view you can see from if you were sitting in the passenger seat. Already loving my new Flyzeye mod. But wait, you can see I have an extra one. And you guys know what that means. Time for another giveaway. I suppose I could have attempted to install it here in my center console, but once I open it, you can see I do have that tray you can drop in and the partitioner underneath. And I think adding the light right there, it sort of goes back here. I mean, it's sort of going to be cramped confines anyway, so if you do plan on installing that down here, obviously with all these things in the way, it's sort of going to defeat the purpose. So instead, I will be giving this away to one of my lucky viewers. Today is Tuesday, March 19th, 2019, and I will be picking the giveaway winner this coming Friday, March 22nd. All you need to do to be entered in the giveaway is make sure you're subscribed to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share this video on your social media somewhere. And I'll get this little guy right out to you. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching this video. Help me grow the channel even more by sharing it with your friends and family on social media. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next video.